Hey guys, I have been working on adding static buttons to my likes page, and it's just something that I've been playing around with, in the evenings while Judson and I watch TV and stuff, and I've not been able to figure it out yet. But I finally have found some things that have worked. So I did download for free Firefox because I've heard that it does not work on Safari or Internet Explorer. So I've been using Firefox. And let me share my screen with you. I have right now, is this the page? If you look on my fitness page or my likes page, I've got two buttons, a join free and a challenge pack button. And those two buttons are linked to my Team Beachbody coach account, so that if someone were to come to the page and read my stuff and like what they see and want to just jump on board with me as a challenger, they can sign up for their free account through the join button. It's not a sign up to coach button. I want to have those conversations one-on-one anyway, but and most people are going to have the conversations first and not go through the Facebook page, but you never know what people might do. And the same thing for challenge packs. They might even just want to check this out and see, like, okay, what is a challenge pack? She's mentioned it a couple times in posts, whatever, or they're just curious and they click on it and they see, and that might spark a message from them to me. You never know. So I also want to add a Shakeology button here. So the first thing I need to do is change my screen so you can see this one. I have opened a PicMonkey page, and I already made my buttons, so they're already saved, but you can go into PicMonkey and create an image, and the image needs to be 111 by 74 pixels, so teeny tiny. And if you need to know how to add a background picture or whatever, let me know. I can help you with that. So I've saved those images, and then I want to come over to my page that a customer would end up going through. So this is my CaitlinStutzFitness.com page. And what I did for challenge packs and for join is I click on join, and it takes you to the free sign up page. I don't think you guys can see that, but when you click on it, it opens up the next page, which is the sign up page. And I just copy and paste that. I copy that link so that I can paste it in to the Static Button app. The same thing for challenge packs. And I've tried going through here with Shakeology, and I don't know if it's just a wonky link or if it has something to do with my coach number or something, but I haven't been able to figure it out. So I'm actually using an app, the Beachbody Links app, which I love because when I am doing, so it's this one, I'm in the sun right there, the Beachbody Link app. And I love this one because when I'm working from my phone and sending messages back and forth, I can send them the direct link without having to go on the internet or anything. So I am getting my Shakeology link from here because it's shorter and it does have my link, my coach number in it. So now I'm going back to Firefox because this is where I'm going to end up doing the app from. So if you have no buttons yet, that is fine. You're going to follow these steps. You're going to go to your Facebook search bar and type in static, and the HTML frame tabs are going to come up. I've been using the starred ones. Now the trick is, or the tricky part is, you can only use this once. You can't click on it again to add a different button. It's not going to let you. So for example, when I click on it, it takes me to this green button. I click on that, and I've already used that link once, so I can't use it again to add a button because it's already connected to my join button. But if you have not created a button yet, yours would look a little different, and you could use that. So you would search again. Oh, okay. So you would search for that static button, and you would use that one first for a button, and then the next button you use, you could use this link. But once you have one button, you can actually click here on your button and edit the tab. And you're not going to edit that button. You're actually going to go to Actions and add a new button. And again, you see here that there are 12 tabs. You can only use each tab once. That's how it's linked to your link, if that makes any kind of sense. So I've used several of these already. So I am going to try tab number 7, just so that I can show you what adding a brand new button looks like. But these are the steps you would go through once you have at least one button. So I'm going to choose my Facebook page. So if you went through the search bar for your first button, I know this is confusing, but for your first button, you're going to go to your search bar, click in that static HTML, click on it, and it's going to give you the green button, push it, and then you're going to come to this page, not the error page. You'll come to this one. So then you'll go to add your page. And you can see here that it says welcome. Okay, it doesn't stay there. Click on the green button, set up tab. And you do not want the static HTML, at least that's what I have found, is that I would rather use under free apps, HTTPS website. You can also use your website here at the top. And then you're going to copy in or paste in your link. So whatever you want it linked to. So I was doing Shakeology. You see this options part? This one says money. I do not want to pay for anything. I'm going to apply my changes. I'm going to save and publish. I'm going to preview and cross my fingers that this time it worked, which lo and behold doesn't look like it did. But I'm going to pretend that it did, so you would see your preview there. And I haven't had an issue with the join or the challenge packs link yet. Just make sure that you unclick this box, because with that box clicked, you have to, oh look, it tells me HTTPS. With that box clicked, you actually end up with an error, and it's going to want you to pay for it. So let me see if that fixed. Save and publish, preview. Yay! So there's my Shakeology page. So that's what people will be directed to when they click that link. So now I'm going to go to Facebook, make sure that it went through, that I've got the button. Okay, so now I've got join free, challenge group, and this welcome. That's my new button, so I need to change it. I don't want the gray star. I don't want it to say welcome. And the way that you edit that is go to settings on your likes page, click on apps, click on your new static button. So I've added the 7th tab, and I want to edit the settings. Custom tab image, I've already got it saved, so I'm going to upload I apologize if I'm going too fast. This is like second nature to me because I've done it 99 times, you guys, and trying to make a video for you guys and find what works. So I'm just now, I don't know if you can see it, I'm just now selecting my image, and there it is. Okay, and then I want to, can I go back here? Okay, so I've changed that, and I just clicked back on the other tab. And then I want my custom tab name. I'm just going with Shakeology, save it, and then okay. And then I'm going back to my page to make sure that I don't have a little gray star that says welcome anymore. Yay, and there you have it. So again, once to add a button, you're gonna go up to your search bar in Facebook, type in static HTML iframes tab. You can use this link once for one button, and then from there, and it walks you through, you guys. So just click on that and keep on going through the steps that pop up. Once you get one button, you can click on it to add more buttons. Edit tab, actions, add or remove, select your tab. Again, if you've already used the one in Facebook search, go to tab 2. So if it's your second button, use tab 2. And then choose your page, and so on and so forth. Does that make sense? Make sure so that you have your ducks in a row to stop the share. So before you get started on making your buttons, make sure you've got Firefox ready to use just in case your browser doesn't work. After messing around with it for a while, I did start using Safari, and I don't know if that's why my Shakeology link was not working or what. So use Firefox. Have your images ready to upload as your button tabs through PicMonkey. Again, the dimensions were 111 by 74. And then I found it helpful to go ahead and have my links open in on the internet so that I could just copy and paste and just knock that out. So now that I have figured it out, it's seriously like second nature. Let me know if you need to jump on a Zoom with me and we can screen share if this is something you want to do and are having a hard time figuring it out, because I did spend some hours figuring out the steps. But once I got the steps, it's really been pretty easy. So I hope that is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or if I went too fast and you're just not understanding something, because that's possible. All right, guys, love ya. Check you later.